Hey guys, in this video I'll compare the specs of the Oukitel WP53 Pro with that of the Oukitel WP56. Now the reason why I choose to compare both devices is because, as you can see, both devices looks identical. Okay, they are very similar in terms of design, and just like the Oukitel WP56, the WP53 Pro has a 128 decibel speaker. It also features a super bright camping light, so it's very identical to the Oukitel WP56, which is why I'll be comparing the specs of both devices in this video, just to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged beasts. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it guys, the Oukitel WP53 Pro versus the Oukitel WP56. As you can see, even though both devices looks identical, the WP56 is a far more better device. It supports 5G connectivity. Also in my previous video, I mentioned that the Oukitel WP53 Pro is kind of like the 4G substandard version of the Oukitel WP56, even though it's a completely different model. But overall, the Oukitel WP53 Pro is very cheap. It's a lot cheaper than the Oukitel WP56, but it doesn't support 5G. Neither does it have the top tier specs of the Oukitel WP56. So in my opinion, the Oukitel WP56 is a much more better rugged phone. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.